Let's check in with Britta Merwin to talk about the wind that's expected for this morning, and then we'll talk about the second storm on the way for tomorrow, Britta.
Yes, certainly looking at some strong winds this morning. As you said, Eileen, the strongest winds will be over the next couple hours, and then we'll start to see some improvements as we go into the afternoon. Here's a look at some of those peak wind gusts across the valley. Now, certainly they're strong, but not as strong as what we saw over this past weekend. That's when we had wind gusts around 50 to 60 miles per hour. Well, today, this morning in Sacramento, at least at the International Airport, a wind gust reported of 37 miles per hour. So certainly less than that of what we saw over the weekend. But these are still pretty strong, and you could see some sticks and a little bit of debris on the roadways this morning because of these strong winds. In Fairfield, we have a wind gust reported of 36 miles per hour at Travis Air Force Base. Placerville, 32 miles per hour and 31 miles per hour in both Marysville and also in Stockton. We do have a wind advisory in place for this morning. South winds can gust over 30 miles per hour for the next several hours, and then we'll start to see some improvements once we go into the afternoon. Now, a second storm system coming up for tomorrow will have stronger winds, and that's when we have a high wind watch in place, which will be converted to a warning over the next 12 hours or so, and we could see wind gusts exceeding 40 to 50 miles per hour, and I'm guessing that's going to be with a lot of heavy rainfall as well, Eileen.